Trying to restore or update your iPhone via the restore mode, but getting your iPhone stuck in the restore screen? Don't panic. We will share 6 simple solutions with you in this video. Solution 1. Use original USB cable. Ensure that you are using the original USB cable and other accessories for your iPhone authorized by Apple. Doing so prevents your device, data or applications from getting corrupted. Solution 2. Update iTunes. In some cases, the outdated version of iTunes may result in the iPhone stuck on the restore screen issue. To solve this, update iTunes on your computer is of great importance. On Mac, open iTunes, tap iTunes on the top left of the Apple menu bar, click the Check for Updates option. On Windows, launch iTunes, click Help in iTunes window, select the Check for Updates option. Note, if there is no Check for Updates option in the menu, you may have downloaded iTunes from the Microsoft Store. In that case, it will automatically update the iTunes version for you. Solution 3. Force restart iPhone. Some system glitches may also make the iPhone stuck when restoring, and force restarting your iPhone will eliminate issues like this. On iPhone 14, 13, 12, XR, Xs, X8, press and release the volume up button and then the volume down button. Next, press and hold the sleep or wake button until the Apple logo appears on the screen. On iPhone 7, 7 Plus, press and hold the volume down plus sleep or wake buttons simultaneously until you see the Apple logo on the screen. On iPhone 6 and earlier versions, press and hold the home plus sleep or wake buttons together until the Apple logo displays on the screen. Solution 4. Restore iPhone under DFU mode via iTunes. You can also get over the problem by putting your iPhone into DFU mode and restoring it with the latest version of iTunes. Step 1. Get your iPhone into DFU mode. Step 2. Connect your iPhone to the computer and run the latest version of iTunes. Step 3. When iTunes detects your iPhone in DFU mode and shows up a notification on the computer, tap OK Restore to restore your iPhone under DFU mode. After restoration, your iPhone will work normally. Note: this method will erase all the device data. Therefore, think twice before the start if you don't back up your iPhone beforehand. Solution 5. Use iOS System Recovery to fix iPhone stuck when restoring. Step 1. Install iOS System Recovery on your computer and connect your iPhone via a USB cable. Then, choose More Tools, iOS System Recovery on the interface. Step 2. The program will detect your iPhone problem automatically and display it on the interface. Afterward, tap the Start button to continue. Step 3. Confirm the device information on the interface. If incorrect, select the right information from the drop-down lists. After that, hit the Repair button to fix the iPhone stuck on the restore screen immediately. Solution 6. Contact Apple Support. If nothing works for your iPhone, you can contact Apple Support or take your iPhone to the nearby Apple Store for help. Don't forget to bring your warranty and purchase receipt with you.